The Nespresso Aerochino. The Nespresso name means a steep price tag, so is it worth it? Welcome to Coffee in My Veins, by coffee lovers and for coffee lovers. In this video, we'll look at the Nespresso Aerochino and see how it froths milk. The Aerochino is an easy and fast way to froth hot or cold milk for a creamy specialty coffee. While it's meant to be used with Nespresso machines, you can really use it as a standalone frother too. You can pull your shot from whatever espresso machine you have, or even an AeroPress shot may do the trick for some of us. It's pretty simple to use on the whole. You can froth 1 cup worth of milk in one go, as indicated by the lines inside the frother. The bottom line is for frothing, where the spring must be attached. The top line is just for heating. Just pour in your milk and press the button, and the little spring will spin and incorporate air into your milk. Don't forget to put the lid on. A single press and release will heat and froth, and a press and hold will just froth. The light will turn off when the frothing process is complete. You can see that the froth is really nice and velvety. The air bubbles are really tiny and hardly visible. This makes for a very smooth mouthfeel. So that's the Aerochino. Now let's try frothing manually with a French press and see how it compares. I've heated up some milk, the same kind I used in the Aerochino, for 1 minute in the microwave. You can see the French press has a similar spring, so we can use it to incorporate air just like the Aerochino does. I like to do this for a 50 to 60 count. You can see bubbles developing in the milk and the milk rising in volume as more air is incorporated. You can see the French press froth is quite similar to the AeroPress froth. The air bubbles are a little bit bigger, so it won't be quite as smooth. But would you really notice? The Aerochino is quite expensive and a French press is comparatively cheaper. Of course, this is added to the fact that both the Aerochino and the French press just incorporate air into the milk, and that's not really the right way to steam or froth milk. At the end, I think it comes down to convenience. If you'd rather set and forget, or you're making more than one beverage, the French press will be quite laborious. On the other hand, the Aerochino is incredibly convenient. You just have to pour in the milk, press a button, and within a few seconds, you'll have a delicious, lovely cup of frothed milk. The only downside, it is really expensive. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe, and check out the blog at coffeeinmyveins.com.